Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
In fact, there have been times when my friends are so shameless, they would literally start making out while being on the same bed with me, and I would have to close my eyes. I think I should drink all of the shots for this question because I have so many times, and I'm like, in my right sense of mind, I know that I don't want to do this, and I will not do this. Yes, or not just drunk dial करके पूरा रोना धोना भी किया. I have not achieved celebrity status. Hi, this is Kashish Kapoor, and I'll be doing guilty shots with India Forum. कैसा धक धक हो रहा है ना मुझे. Regretted going on a blind date? Absolutely yes. मतलब मैं गाड़ी में बैठी, वो आया मुझे पिक करने, और उसी समय मैंने अपनी फ्लैटमेट को मैसेज किया, मेरी फ्रेंड को इनफैक्ट, कि लिसन, pretend to be my flatmate, say you lost your key, tell me you need me right now. सारी मेरी क्लबिंग की प्रैक्टिस आज काम आएगी. Been a bully in school? Never. I'm the nicest person ever. I'm a gem of a person, if anything. So,
Note that, guys.
yes. Okay. Given someone a fake phone number? No. I can say no.
So childish, fake phone number.
Borrowed something and never returned? Duh, no. I never do that. I have principles. Please. Walked in on a friend making out? Yes. This I have, and it was so embarrassing. I'm like, guys, for heaven's sake, lock the door. In fact, there have been times when my friends are so shameless, they would literally start making out while being on the same bed with me, and I would have to close my eyes. So yeah. Here we go. Created a fake account. So my ex blocked me, okay? But मेरे को बहुत चिल्लोरी थी, मुझे एक दिन जानना था कि क्या कर रहा है ये.
Of course.
So he like blocked this account and all the accounts this number might create.
Associated with.
So then I used my friend's number to create a fake account.
Beauty with brains.
Yes. Won't make up to cover a I hate you for this question. फायदा क्या होता है यार, फिर भी तो दिख ही जाता है. Next. Ever kissed someone with a bad breath? You did not get ever kissed someone with a bad breath? No, I haven't.
Lucky you.
I say no. If I feel like he's unhygienic, no. Fantasized about getting back with your ex? I think I should drink all of the shots for this question because I have so many times, and I'm like, in my right sense of mind, I know that I don't want to do this and I will not do this. But in my wrong sense of mind, I'm like, what if? All those book talk girls, jo Wattpad wali hoti hai, no? What if?
What if wali?
I'm a little bit that.
For all the delulus here.
Yeah, I am attracted to red flags. Dated someone for money? If only I met somebody that rich, I would have. No, I haven't. Does it count if the one I dated was decently rich, but that was not the reason I dated him? I dated him because I was stupid.
Mm-hmm.
Tried guessing someone's password? Yes. And I guessed it right. I'm loving the questions, by the way. Drunk dialed in ex? Yes. Or not just drunk dial करके पूरा रोना धोना भी किया. ऐसे जन्मों कसमों के वादे किए हमने कि अब listen, I'm gonna forgive you for everything. Let's get back. I'm so in love with you.
Regretted? फिर जब होश में आया तब
रो रही थी मैं, ये मैंने क्या कर दिया? Please no. In fact, I told my friends, please don't tell me what I did, what I said. I don't want.
हाँ, correct.
Have you heard that song of Weekend? Baby, keep it to yourself.
Yeah.
I don't wanna know. So yeah, I'm the biggest advertiser of that song. Stood someone on a date? No, I left the date. That's what I did. Like, he came and I was so pissed. Within 5 minutes, I left the date without telling him. But did not stand someone up. tried to copy your parents' signature? Yes, and they are very proud of me for doing that. उनको मैंने कितने सारे ऐसे स्कूल के नोटिस साइन करने से बचा दिया. And the last question: used your celebrity status in some wrong way, in some way. I have not achieved celebrity status yet.
Hi, this is you being modest, okay? अभी तो आ रहा है सब कुछ.
Well, then in that case, बता ही देती हूँ. So I was traveling to Abu Dhabi अभी, and so immigration की security की काफी लंबी line थी. And like मैं इतनी सुंदर लग रही थी, and I was in my heels, and I was with my team. तो मन नहीं करता ना कि ऐसे line में खड़े रहो. So one of the security personnel was a fan of me and another contestant, Harsh. So उसने हमें एकदम fast track किया. We did not get in a single line, a single place. Within 2 minutes हमने boarding क्या security अपना pass दिया, boarding pass. वहाँ से भी boarded the plane within 2 minutes. Immigration हो, security हो, everything done within 2 minutes. So yeah.
और क्या चाहिए यार जिंदगी में, guys? And she
Cheers
has
to celebrity
nailed.
status.
Signing off, this is Nikita Bagwan with Cameraman Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.